We are going to now go through and look to see how it looks to purchase a listing. I am going to go to this listing and click Barter Now. On each listing, you'll see the business name, you'll see more about that listing. All over here, it'll tell you exactly what you get, any terms and conditions, value proposition. Let's barter, delivered in 10 days. It tells you how much it costs. You can also favorite this listing. Down below the listing, it gives you more information about the actual member and any reviews that that business owner has on this listing. So I'm going to click Let's Barter, and as you can see, it says that you who you're bartering with, the name, and it automatically calculates how much you're going to be paying for this actual barter. Since this account is on the gold plan, there's only an 8% service fee, which means that anyone who purchases this listing will only come out of pocket $13.36. You have to agree, you can leave a message, and then you click make payment. That's how simple it is to purchase what you need on the Barter Black platform.